This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 8, Colorado Detector, skylight, awning, oven, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is 15,300 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.